Hi, it's Madeline. I just wanted to show you another one of my pets. It's my cat. He's sleeping right now. And I think I just woke him up, sorry. His name is Leo. Thanks for watching. Bye.